3-layer video editing, play one by one in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Click on New Project in here. After that, select your 3 video. And then click on Video Collage at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, you'll find your videos, and at the bottom select the layout you prefer and press on Continue at the top right corner of your screen. Now, in here, simply click on Overlay. After you've clicked on Overlay, you'll find all your 3 videos. Now simply select the one video and at the bottom, scroll to the left and freeze it. Repeat the same process with the second video as well. Click on the video on the timeline. After you've clicked on the video on the timeline, simply scroll to the left in here as well and click on Freeze. After you have done that, now click on the last video and make sure Freeze Picture is a bit longer, as it will play one by one and it should be a longer one. After that, you're done. As you can see, it is 3-layer video and it is playing one by one. This is how to create 3-layer video editing, play one by one in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.